So here's another example. We've got two sides and we don't know that one. So I know that's x, that's y, that's r. So x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Which one don't we know? X. Okay. So we can keep x on the side, on the left side, and keep everything else on the other side. So we can just say, I want to move everything except x over to that side, so I say x squared. That's where I want it to be. I don't want y squared to be on this side anymore, so what I can do is I can subtract y squared from both sides. So I have x squared plus y squared, and then I subtract y squared from this side, and then I subtract y squared from that side. But I have a plus y squared and a minus y squared, so if I have a plus and a minus, bye-bye. Not there anymore, so I have x squared equals r squared minus y squared. See how I did that? So it's called rearranging this equation. So this is really saying the same thing, only just expressing it a little bit differently. But now what we don't know is on this side, what we do know is on that side. So I say x squared equals r squared. We know what r is, it's over here. 321 squared minus, where's y? 215. 215 squared. So x squared equals, so calculator. So 321 squared minus 215 squared equals, take that number, x squared equals 56816. Alright, so then x is going to be the square root of that number. So if I say square root of that number is, and remember your calculator might do it differently, so try it with your calculator, make sure you get the same answer, 238.4. So this is 0.36, so I decided to take it to one decimal place. So that's 0.3, but the next number is 5 or bigger, so I round up. So that's what x is. So I could, if I wanted to, I could say this is equal to 238.4. And to test that, you can check your own work, because x squared plus y squared is supposed to equal r squared. So I could check that if I wanted to, and I go 238.4 squared plus 215 squared should give me that squared. So I'm going to check that just to see. So 238.4 squared plus 215 squared equals that number, and I square root that number, and I get 321. So looks pretty good to me. I think I did it okay. That's example 2 done.